Ready then to install the cable itself to the mount. So we're going to take our remaining hardware. You should have left a little bronze bushing, a 3/16 pin and a cotter pin. So the 3/16 bushing slips into this hole. The clevis itself goes over that bushing, and then when you install this 3/16 pin, you want to make sure the head of the 3/16 pin is on the same side as the spring. So using your left hand, insert the pin in through the bronze bushing. Position your cotter pin. You want to go ahead and bend your cotter pin all the way over.